If you lost or broke your car's keyless remote, don't pay a fortune at the dealership for a new one. Dorman has compatible replacements for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Replacing broken or lost key fobs is more than a petty annoyance. Waiting at the dealership can be expensive and time-consuming. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting at the car dealership or paying more than $100 just to get a key fob reprogrammed. Do it yourself and get back on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of button presses. For others, Dorman includes a free, patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. Simply enter your vehicle information, find your new Dorman keyless remote, and program it lickety-split. Each Dorman remote is carefully designed to match original appearance and function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need a new key fob, rely on Dorman so you can program it in minutes and rely on it for years.